I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying power and connections because most black screens are simple faults. Check the wall outlet and cable integrity and swap cables if available. Once done, remove all peripherals except essential input devices to rule out device conflicts. Now perform a hard power reset. Unplug the power, press and hold the power button for 15 to 20 seconds, then reconnect and power on. This clears residual charge and often restores display output quickly. Next, isolate the video signal to determine whether the issue is the display, cable, or computer. Connect a different monitor or TV with HDMI or DisplayPort. This tells you if the original screen or cable failed. Once done, cycle the monitor input and use the laptop display toggle keys to force an external or internal screen. If you still see nothing and you're comfortable, power down and reseat the graphics card, or RAM. Loose components can cause no video symptoms. Finally, recover the software side because drivers or firmware can silently kill the display. Boot into safe mode or recovery environment and uninstall or update the display driver. Choose a generic driver if needed. Once done, reset BIOS or UEFI to defaults and apply firmware updates to address compatibility bugs. If the problem persists, boot from a live USB to confirm hardware versus OS failure, and if still unresolved, document your steps and seek professional repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.